Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating essentials. Make sure the OS update's finished and rebooted. That prevents file locks and service conflicts. Next, sign into the exact Microsoft account tied to your Office license so the installer can verify entitlement. While signed out, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall that can block setup files. You can re-enable them later. Finally, confirm at least 10 GB free disk space and a stable internet connection so downloads and configuration complete without interruption. Once done with prerequisites, run the official installer or use the Office deployment tool and choose Sensible Channel and Architecture. Always run as administrator to elevate file rights. If installation hangs, stop services like Office Click to Run and Microsoft Store, then retry. This releases locks. Clear %, and Office cache folders to remove corrupted payloads, and uninstall prior MSI remnants via Programs and Features so old installers don't conflict. After those steps, relaunch setup and watch the progress to confirm component extraction succeeds. To finish, complete activation and open any Office app to trigger first-run configuration, then check for updates. If activation or launch fails, run the built-in repair from App Settings, which fixes registry and file associations. If that doesn't work, use Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or an offline installer to bypass online faults. If issues persist, note exact error codes, perform a full uninstall using the cleanup tool, reboot, then reinstall. That usually clears stubborn corruption. Keep the error code for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.